This week I'm reviewing for the last time the C7 Corvette. This is the 2019 Stingray Coupe. When the C7 debuted in 2014, I immediately ordered one. And I got another new one in 2016, so as you can guess, I'm a big fan. Of course, today all the buzz is about the mid-engine C8 that debuts in early 2020. Let's take a look under the carbon fiber hood where you'll find the tried and true 6.2 liter V8 that is rated at 460 horses and 460 pound-feet of torque. My test car has the shiftable 8-speed automatic transmission, and together they'll get you from a dead stop to 60 miles an hour in just 3.7 seconds. All Stingray Coupes come with a carbon fiber removable roof that stores nicely in the more than ample cargo area and gives you an open air feeling without the extra cost of the ragtop. My test vehicle has the 1LT package, which is the base model. From there you can go up to the 2LT or 3LT depending on how much standard equipment you want. Moving to the interior, the GT bucket seats are extremely comfortable and hold you in place even in the tightest of turns. This car has the dual zone air conditioning system. The gauges peg out every time you start the Corvette. A configurable driver information center sits in the middle of the large center tachometer, which features a digital speedometer. Everything on the car runs from an 8-inch color monitor in the center of the dash and features Sirius XM radio and a Bose stereo. All functions work by touch, and you get a suite of apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you can turn the inside of the car into a Wi-Fi hotspot. The screen also makes for a cool hidden compartment with the push of a button. Let me touch on the driver mode selector for a moment. It's the round knob on the center console, and turning it lets you choose from the following settings: Touring, Sport, and Track. All those settings make a substantial difference in the way the car rides and handles. In Track mode, the Corvette completely changes to a very stiff ride and much tighter handling characteristics. The 1LT package has notable standard features including rear view camera, power seats, power tilt wheel, HID lights, driver mode selector, and a capless fuel filler neck, which you'll grow to love the more you use it. You also get keyless entry with remote start, a leather flat bottom steering wheel, stability, and traction control. This car has 3 options totaling $5,350. It has the 8-speed automatic, chrome 19-inch front wheels and 20-inch rear wheels, and it has the amazing performance exhaust. Every time you hear the sound of the exhaust coming out of the quad pipes, it's a rush. There's no car that sounds, drives, or handles like a Corvette, and nothing is even close. I've said on my radio show many times that everyone should own a Corvette once in their life. There's just something unique and different about one. Fuel economy is rated at 15 city, 25 highway, and 18 overall. It'll do the highway mileage, but if you truly enjoy the car, it won't do the 15 city, but that's okay. Base price on this coupe is almost $56,000, and equipped like this one, MSRP is $62,345. Thanks for riding along with us today for another CarPro test drive, this week with the 2019 Corvette Stingray. If it's your dream to own a Corvette, go to CarProUSA.com and find the nearest CarPro certified Chevy dealer to you.